Hi partner! Welcome to our channel, The Hungry Partner. On this video, we will have a Tapsilog, a homemade tapa, SInangag or fried rice, and fried egg. So stay tuned! Let's start with the SInangag or fried rice because it's easy to do. SInangag needs 7 cloves of minced garlic. And let's saute it until it becomes slightly brown. Once it's ready, let's add the steamed rice or yesterday's left rice. At first, we put the first half of steamed rice so that it'll not be too oily. But sure, you can add as much as you want. And yes, here's the half of rice that we have. And of course, let's add salt to taste. Mix it up until it becomes a fried rice. That's it, don't worry, we'll fry it again later. Iprito na natin ang iyong malaking itlog. Char! It's up to you if it's a big or a small or a brown or a white egg. It can be a scrambled egg, sunny side up, well done or not, it's up to you. As of now, I want a big, brown, sunny side up egg. Of course, again, let's add a salt to taste. And a pepper to taste. Just an FYI, brown and white eggs have no nutritional difference. Their benefits are still the same. Okay, it's time for the main event, beef tapa or preserved beef. So this is what we did yesterday. We have a ½ kilo of beef sirloin. We marinated it with the following ingredients. First, we have a whole small garlic, minced garlic. And we also need a 1/4 cup of soy sauce. And a 1/4 cup of vinegar. We also have 1/4 cup of brown sugar. 2 teaspoons of pepper. And last but not the least, our secret ingredient, 200 ml of Coke. Coke will tenderize the beef and will also give us a delicious taste of our beef tapa. Okay, so another FYI, Tapsilog stands for Tap for tapa or Filipino beef jerky. C is SInangag or fried rice. And log is itLOG or egg. This dish is very common in every Filipino restaurant. Most of these restaurants are called tapsihan, tapahan, tapsilugan, which were derived from the name of the dish itself. It is very popular in the Philippines. That's why many entrepreneurs ventured in this line of business. Wow. So go ahead and try this one and tell me if it's worth it. So yeah, we have to marinate it for 24 hours.
24 hours later.
Time to cook the tapa. So we removed it from the marinated sauce because first we need to make it tender. As of now, let's just wait it to simmer. Okay, it's already dry. We will put a cup of water and mix it up. So far, how are you, partner? I hope you are enjoying this video. If yes, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell button for us to be inspired to create new videos and for you to be notified if I have a new one. Again, it's now dry. And yep, it's not yet tender. So let's put another 1 cup of water. Keep on putting water until it becomes tender. Okay, let's see. For me, it's already fine. This is the last part which we will pour or add our marinated sauce. And let's wait it until it becomes slightly dried or oily. By the way, we have other videos in our channel and links on the description. We have pininyahang manok, honey garlic chicken wings, sinigang na mackerel, giniling na tofu, sotanghon gisado, air-fried lumpiang Shanghai with sweet and sour sauce, homemade taho, and many more. Comment below if you have a request. Ta-da!
Oh my God!
Ang bango. Kanyaman na bawo. Smells yummy. Even my camera wants to eat it. Okay, if you still remember, we will fry the rice again. But this time we will use the same pan where we cook the TAPa so that we can get the taste of TAPa. This will make our SInangag or fried rice more delicious. This is very common in our country.
Woo!
Now let's get ready for the taste test. Tara, kain tayo. Mangantana. Kaunta. Mga tayon. Let's eat. Let's get TAPa, fried rice, and sunny side up egg. And let's have our partner to taste it and judge it. By the way, we also have vinegar.
Wow!
This is it. Time to eat.
Wow!
Sarap. Grabe, sarap. Grabe. Grabe, sarap. Approve.